Katie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So you can subscribe, the button is always down below, post video, lifestyle panning, and more. In today's video, I am going to be giving you my second update for my just yearly project pan. Like I mentioned in my other two videos, these are more long haul products, so I do have quite a few rollouts this month and I'm very excited about that, but this is like more of a long-term project. Just in the fact that most of these products will stick around for a while. I have more long-term goals for this project, and then my other projects are kind of some long-term, some short-term, and just more fun projects. I'm really excited to get into this video. Also, this is my first video filming since I chopped my hair, and I'm feeling more like myself. I've noticed that a lot recently. I've been feeling just more like me. It's crazy to say, but a haircut really does everything. But yeah, that's totally random, but also not so random. But let's just get right into this project. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with the least exciting. I didn't use this at all this month. This is the Stila Glitter in Rose Gold Retro. I didn't mark it. I don't know if I marked it before the video last month, but that's where I marked it. Still there. And stuff. I think the prior month I used it once, so not making great progress for something I want to use it, but you know, it is what it is. I don't know, it just feels like it's getting very dry and stuff, and I'm like, kind of, I don't know. I've put like eye drops in it, I've tried that. I didn't love it the first time I used it. After a while, this might become a declutter because I'm just like, I'm just not feeling it. And it's also really old. I think I got this like 3 or 4 years ago, so it is kind of old. I do want to use it up. Like I do want to like use it up and be able to like add it to my, I guess like my yearly like my yearly use up empties total. But, you know, if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If I use it up, it happens. I'm not gonna be like too like, you know, about it. Like, I don't know, like, I'm not gonna care too much about it, you know? Like, it is what it is. And, you know, we'll see what happens. I'm hoping to use it a little bit more next month, but we'll kind of see. I think after this video, I might put like eye drops in it and see, but we'll see. The next one, I also don't have like too much progress on. This one I just added in last month. This is the Tarte Bronzer. This is like the Barkhead Princess one. I really like this one. I've had other ones in the past that I didn't like so much, and I've only used this once. I think my goal was to use it like 15 times or something like that. I do really like this bronzer. I just haven't used it that much. Clearly I used it one time. I do really like this, and I do want to use it more, so I'm gonna keep doing that, and I think I'm gonna try and use it a little bit more this next month. I just prefer like cream products recently, and I usually use cream products more in winter time, but I'm trying to use this a little bit more next month and see. I can always just like use this with my cream products, but we'll see where I go with that, and we're working with it. So not that much progress with these two things, but hopefully next month will be a better month. So next, I have made pretty good progress on this one. This is the Pixie and Aspen highlight from obviously Pixie. And this is what it's looking like. We have a pretty decent sized pan. I forgot to take pictures last month, so I'll have to do like screenshots from my last video. But I think I made pretty good progress. Like I have a huge dip in there, which I'm super excited about. Or not even a dip, a huge pan. Like, look at that. I'm pretty impressed with that. I have used this 10 times and stuff, which I'm super excited for. I forget if I think I might have continued the same markings from last month to this month. So I think in this month I've used it 6 times, which is pretty good. I feel like that's pretty good and stuff, especially after using this only 4 times in the first month. But I think I've made like pretty good progress, and I'm really excited about it. So yeah, excited about that. I think this product will take a little bit to pan. I could honestly see it being gone by maybe like the 6th month mark, but we'll see. So then we have 3 rollouts, which I'm very, very excited about. So the first one is this moisturizer from Air Repair. I did cut it open after the last video and there wasn't that much left, so I I believe I got this used up like pretty early on in the month and stuff. I used it 8 times last month, and I think I used it 5 times this month. So yeah, it's all gone. I'm super happy to add this to my empties total. So you'll see this in my empties video later on. But super excited to have another moisturizer used up. I think I'm gonna unofficially pan one and stuff, but I'm really excited. Either way, another moisturizer out of the collection. And then you guys know this one was a total pain. This is my CoverGirl powder. The top broke on this one. So I had only been able to mark it like twice before it broke. I don't know if it broke like during the last update or shortly after. I think it might have been shortly after. I don't quite remember, but I used this up. I did move it to another container, and I have used it out of there and stuff. And I used this one 8 times and stuff, and I'm super excited to have used this up and stuff. I had been wanting to get this out. I actually got it out quicker than I thought, which is exciting. So can't wait to also add this to the total. And then this was also kind of unexpected, but I used up my lotion, which I'm super excited about. This is the Winter Candy Apple. I had this in projects last year and then also this year. These are my this year's lines, and then these are my last year's lines, which I believe I only had like that line. But I'm super excited to have used this up. Lotions are going to be a thing that I'm going to keep rolling in this project. I'm going to keep lotions in 24/7, and that's great. And that's so exciting. Like, I'm so excited about that and stuff. And I'm happy to have used this up because I don't know how much longer I could have taken this, since we're like, spring is like what, literally in March, and this video is probably going to go up in March. I have like, I think a couple videos I want to get up before this one. So yeah, happy to have used that up. And yeah, so I have 3 rollouts. I honestly don't know when I'm going to roll in. I know one of the items, I've kind of selected that, but my other ones I'm not sure. So I'm going to go pick those, and then I'll be right back. Hey, picking my products was actually easier than I was expecting it to be, which is super weird, which is great. I love that. And it's interesting. So I'm just going to start off with the obvious. I'm going to be adding another lotion in. This one I believe I had in a project last year. I'm going to mark it on this side, but I do have one marking on this side and stuff. I just want to kind of like start fresh. I believe it's like right there. So I do have quite a bit of this in, but these seem to go pretty fast because when I like moisturize my body, I like blather it all over, and I use a decent bit because this isn't like a thick lotion. It is pretty thin and stuff. So yeah, I'm really excited. I actually love this. I actually panned the fragrance for this last year. It's 1,000 Wishes by Bath and Body Works. Actually gonna put a little bit on right now, but I actually panned the fragrance, so it'll be fun to actually pan like the lotion for it. And I have countless amount of Bath and Body Works lotions, so that'll be fun to go through. And I'm already loving like the scent of it. I love this lotion a lot. A lot. I just love this lotion so much, and I can't wait to pan it. Like, I'm loving the scent. It has like amber in it, prosecco, crystal, peonies. Like, it's a very good like florally but not like too intense scent. And then I decided I wanted to put a blush in because I want to get back to panning blushes. I panned a few, and this one already has panned. This was in my deck of panning last year. My goal with this is gonna probably be to use it up. I want to get there. I don't know if I will, but kind of want to try. I am gonna set a goal of like 30 uses, just so it's like a heftier goal stuff, just so it's like a, I guess, harder goal and stuff. And hopefully I can use this up. I've had this for years, so I kind of do want to use it up, but we'll see where it goes and stuff. But you know, we'll see what happens. And then lastly, I'm kind of interested that I picked this, but I didn't really know what else to pick. I'm panning like way too many lip products lots of like highlights and stuff like that, so I didn't want to add another one of those. So I ultimately decided to go for an eyeshadow, which is super weird that I picked this. This is from Violet Voss. This is Pretty in Pink. I haven't used this too much, so I did kind of want to add this in. I will have my Panda Shadows update go up in a few days, so we'll see about that soon. But I did kind of want to add this in. I think I'm gonna do like a smaller goal for this. I'm gonna do probably like 15 uses, 10-15 uses, and see, I kind of just want to roll this in to get usage on it, see what happens, that kind of stuff. And yeah, those are the products I will be adding into this project. I'm really excited and stuff. I'm kind of excited how well things are going with this one, with this project. I'm really excited about it. I'm excited like where we're going and that kind of stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know how your projects are going. I'm also very close to 500 subscribers, so I'd love if you guys would subscribe. I believe the last time I checked, I was like 9 away, and I'm so excited. So I hope you will consider subscribing and that kind of stuff. I post lots of fun videos over here, so why not? And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.